Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be quick yes or no with fortune wheel. Okay, so whatever question is there in your mind, you can select the question and ask the universe for the answer. Okay, so we have a fortune wheel here, and we also have 9 piles here, 9 seashells. So whichever seashell is attracted towards you, then you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose pile accordingly. Okay, so but remember that one shell for one question only. Okay, so if you have multiple questions, multiple doubts, want to clarify with the universe, then you can choose different seashells. Okay, so we have yellow, blue, black, white, red, blue, purple, then green and brown seashells. Okay, blues are two, one is dark blue and one is light blue. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. Okay, so before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. Please like, share and support my channel if you like my readings. I know nowadays views are very less. I don't know the reason why, but what I can do is I can constantly post the videos. That's all I can do. But I request you all to press the bell notification, bell symbol, and press all, so that you can get all my videos immediately whenever I post it, so that you can watch. Okay, that's all. Then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so if you want any personal readings, you can contact me. My details are given below. Also, if you want any different kind of reading, then you can post in comment section. Definitely I will do those readings. Okay, so I will show you the piles, then you can choose. Pile number 1, yellow seashell. Pile 2, blue seashell. Pile 3, black seashell. Pile 4, white seashell. Pile 5, red seashell. Pile 6, blue seashell, dark blue. Pile 7, purple seashell. Pile 8, green seashell. And pile 9, brown seashell. Okay, so whichever seashell you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile and we can do the reading accordingly. Okay, so when I'm shuffling the cards or when I'm rotating the wheel, you also try to meditate, and you also try to pray universe, so that you can be in tune with my reading. Okay, that's all. Then without wasting much time, let us start the reading. Whoever chose this yellow seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see whatever question is there in your mind. Let us see whether the answer is yes or no. Okay. So please think about your question in your mind and ask spirits and angels. Okay. So let us start the reading. Pile 1, whatever is the question, please tell me the answer, spirits and universe, whether it is yes or no, or maybe. Okay, all of you are ready? Let us start. Okay, it is yes, and it is, the answer is good for you. Hope you can see it is yes and good for you. So congratulations, whatever is the question you asked, the answer is yes. So let us pull one card, why it is yes. If it is no also, we will ask why it is no. If it is yes also, we will ask yes, so that we can get more details. Okay. It is the Lovers. Okay. So it can be any love related question, or connection, or any reunion, reconciliation, or if it is regarding a job, whether you will get peace of mind in the job, or whether it is a health, like if you want to be healthy, whether this disease or ailment will go out of my body or not. So whatever is the question, the answer is yes. And especially for the love related questions, the answer is perfectly yes. And it is, they are saying that it is good for you. So what else you want? Pile number 1. So this is yes. Okay. So let us move on to pile 2. Pile number 2, the purple seashell. Let us see the answer for your question is yes or no. Please, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Tell us the answer if it is yes or no. Okay, this is also 100% yes. So whatever question you asked, the answer is 100% yes. There is no doubt about it. Don't even think negatively about this. So let us pull one card so that we can get the answer, clarification for the answer. Okay. Wow, the sun. Okay, so whatever you asked, it is very, it will make you very happy, and also it is very bright and shine, okay, in your life. I don't know what you asked about. If you asked about money and all, it is very abundant, it is coming. If you are asking about health, definitely you will be very healthy, and you can do yoga also. For that you can see the picture on the card, the sun card. So whatever you ask, the answer is 100% yes, and it is very bright and shine. Okay, congratulations, pile 2. Pile 3, whoever chose this white seashell, this reading is for you. So let us ask spirits and angels, the whatever answer is there in your mind, whether the answer is yes or no. Be ready, pile 3 people, whether the answer is yes or no. Again 100% yes. Okay, I don't know why all these things are coming very positive today. So the answer is 100% yes, and we will clarify with the cards also why it is yes. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, since we saw the card, so we will keep it. Okay, also 2 cards fell apart. So whatever you are asking, it will happen unexpectedly, and when you are not expecting, this will happen, and this will happen in a positive way, because the answer is 100% yes. So whatever the question you are asking, it will happen unexpectedly when you are not expecting, and definitely it will give balance in your life. Okay, temperance. So if you are asking about particular marriage and all, it will happen unexpectedly, and you will be made for each other, or you will be better half for each other. Okay, that is very prominent here. If at all you are asking about any other question, I can't guess your question, but whatever question you asked, 100% yes, it will happen unexpectedly, and it will give balance in your life. Okay, very good. Pile number 3. Let us move on to pile 4. Whoever chose this black seashell, this reading is for you. Let us ask spirits and angels whether the question in your mind, the answer is yes or no. Are you ready, guys? So let us see if the answer is yes or no for you. Okay, spirits and angels, please give us the answer if it is yes or no. Oh. Okay, it is no, not good for you. Okay, so please take it however it resonates, because universe is saying that it is not good for you, and the answer is no. That is the reason universe is not giving it to you, because it is not good for you. So let us clarify with the cards why universe is saying it is not good for you. What is the question you asked, and why universe is saying not good for you and no? Let us see. Okay, it is death. Okay, so whatever question is you asked, the answer is no, definitely, because it is kind of a dead end for you, it is a death for you. So if you are asking something which is not good for you, that will not happen. Okay, that is what universe is saying. See how they are resonating, even the fortune wheel and the cards both are resonating nicely. So please rethink. Okay, because otherwise you can postpone whatever you are asking. You can maybe ask after some days, maybe next week, so we will see the answer. Okay, but as of now the answer is no, because it is a kind of death. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Pile number 4. Let us see. Whoever chose this red seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the answer for your question, whether it is yes or no. Are you guys ready? Pile number 5. Okay, so the answer is no, or it is saying that wait. It is not completely no. They are saying that this is not the right time and you have to wait for the right time. So let us clarify with the cards why it is no, why they have to wait. Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits and angels. Okay, it is the Fool. That means you are taking some risk which is not good for you right now. So you can, even if you want to take a risk also, you have to wait for some time, then only you can take the decision. Now it is not the right time for you to take a risk. Okay, so you have to wait for some time. Let us see the energies, how it changes. So we will also ask next week whether it is yes or no, then you can proceed ahead. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 5. Let us see pile number 6. Whoever chose this blue color seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see if the answer for your question is yes or no. Are you ready? Okay, let me rotate once it is ready. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm starting. Okay, again. So the answer is no for this pile also. This is they are asking you to wait. Okay, it is not complete no, but they are asking you to wait for some time, then you can take the action. Let us clarify with the card in Sacred Indian Tarot deck cards. Let us pull one card to see why it is no. Okay, Wheel of Fortune, the same thing, like it is not a right time. So wheel is not into turning into your favor. You have to wait until it turns into your favor, then only you can do the action. Okay, whatever you are asking about. So now this is not the right time, so it is no, wait for some time. Okay, we will see the energies next week. Thank you. Pile number 7. Whoever chose this brown seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see whether the answer for your question is yes or no. Okay, are you guys ready? Let us see. Okay, let me start. Okay, the answer is yes. Okay, manifest. They are saying the answer is yes, but you have to manifest. You have to constantly think about the question. Think about if you are asking about a person, you have to think about the person. Then you can definitely manifest. The answer is yes. So let me pull one card from Sacred Indian Tarot so that we can get clarity why it is yes and why it is saying to manifest. Okay, spirits and angels, please give us some clarity. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so now for this, because the answer is yes, the universe is saying wheel is turning into your favor, but to make it happen faster, you have to manifest. Okay, so wheel is turning into your favor, but at the same time you need to manifest it to make it faster. Okay, that's all I have for you. Very good, congratulations, it is yes. Let us move on to pile number 8. Whoever chose this dark blue seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see if the answer for your question is yes or no. Whatever may be the answer, it is love, money, health, whatever it is, love life. So let us see the answer if it is yes or no. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, so it is 100% yes, but not exactly it is on 100% yes. It is in between. Okay, it is mostly yes, but it is maybe. Okay, you have to reconsider also. But let us clarify with the Sacred Indian Tarot cards. It is 100% yes, it is showing, but it is in the middle of reconsider, maybe, and yes. Okay, let us pull one guidance card or clarification card for you. Why it is in between yes and maybe? Okay, Magician, definitely you have to manifest, then only it will happen. First of all, you have to reconsider this, whatever opportunity you are asking about, or you are asking about a person, whether I'll get back to this person, or whether I will reconcile, or whether I will get this job, whether I'll go to abroad, or will I be healthy, or any question. Okay, I can't guess your questions, but definitely the answer is yes if you manifest, because the Magician is there. Magician means you have to manifest, you have to think about the person or thing or situation in a positive way, then you can manifest it. Okay, so it is 100% yes, but it is maybe also. Whoever chose this green seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see if the answer for your question is yes or no. Let us see. Are you ready? Okay, it is yes. It is good for you. It did not rotate much. That means it is destined for you. Okay, it is nothing like it will take time and all. It is, the time is near to you. Whatever you are asking, it will happen. It is yes, and it is good for you. And also you have to reconsider before saying yes to any offer or anybody, any person. You have to reconsider, because it is 99% it is good for you only, but 1% it is showing towards the reconsider or maybe. So you have to think also whether you can accept the offer or not. Okay, let us pull one clarification card. Let us pull one clarification card. Please, spirits and angels, let us know yes or no. Okay, the Tower moment. So whatever you are having right now, so everything will collapse, and it will happen for good, because it is happening for your own good, because you are not able to let go of few things or a person or anything in your life. So universe is bringing a Tower moment in your life, which will happen unexpectedly, and you will travel towards your good future. Okay, that is why answer is yes, and it is good for you. Whatever you are asking, it will happen unexpectedly, and it is good for you. That is the reason Tower moment is happening. Don't feel bad if at all something happens unexpectedly, but that is good for you. That is the reason universe is making you fall, the tower fall down. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 10. So sorry, 9. So if you like my reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.